Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, what is the ruling on asking AI about questions? There is some Islamic AI, and there is ChatGPT, and there is some people and maybe imams saying that we can ask them. And I'm sorry if I'm asking way too much questions every day.
First of all, AI or artificial intelligence is not something reliable to rely on, especially in fatwas, because fatwa is a religious duty. And Allah said in two places in the Quran, فَاسْأَلُوا أَهْلَ الذِّكْرِ إِن كُنْتُمْ لَا تَعْلَمُونَ. Ask the people of knowledge if you do not know. And AI is not people of knowledge. ChatGPT is not people of knowledge. I tried this few times. To me, as a student of knowledge, I find some of the information I got beneficial, and some of it was shockingly false, totally false. I asked once ChatGPT about a hadith, and immediately in a second listed to me that this hadith was authenticated by so-and-so and made weak by so-and-so, blah, blah, blah. And Sheikh Al-Albani authenticated it. So I immediately wrote to it, Sheikh Al-Albani classified this hadith as weak in a silsila da'ifa. Immediately he said, yes, you're right, I apologize. What is this? So this is not something that you can rely on in Islamic knowledge for fatwa. Sometimes it can be reliable for easy things that children can tell you, but you don't have the time to research. You ask ChatGPT, what are the 5 pillars of Islam? What are the 6 pillars of Iman? What are the pillars of Salat? And it gives you that according to the Hanafi school of thought, Shafi'i, Maliki, and Hanbali. That's fine. This is not a fatwa. But things that are related to critical issues, fatwas, halal and haram, you cannot rely on it. You can rely on it in things that we've been relying on before ChatGPT was created. Hundreds, well, not hundreds, decades ago, such as spell checking, grammatical errors. Microsoft Word had this long time ago, and that is part of AI. But when you want it to create something for you, an Islamic khutbah, for example, that is dangerous. When you want to ask about the ruling on divorce or the ruling on a specific scenario, that is dangerous. But other than that, if you wanted to create or generate an email about something, there is no problem in that, and Allah knows best.